Hi again. Okay, quick tutorial on how to get the works cited information from the LMC library database. So I'm writing a paper on elections in America, and I had a section about the Electoral College and how it works. So when I went to look for my source, I typed in Electoral College and clicked the search button, came up with a bunch of results that I didn't want to use, but there was one that I did like, which was how to make the Electoral College work for everyone. So I already cited this in my paper, and now I need to create the works cited because my paper's due in 5 minutes and I'm freaking out. And even though the information is on the Purdue site that my professor gave me as a reference, I don't have time for that. Like I said, it's freak out time. But I did get this one from the MLA, from the LMC website, which means I have a tool that I can use to create my entry for my works cited. This little cite button on the side of the article that you used gives you your works cited entry. So you just have to scroll down to where it says MLA, and you select copy, Command C or Control C, depending on which type of computer you're working with, and go into your document. I use this one for another tutorial, so I'm just going to paste it right there. Now it's all kind of messed up. It's got highlighting behind it and it's not indented correctly, so I'm going to have to fix that by going through and making it match everything else in my paper. Times New Roman 12, double spaced, and then I'm going to have to indent, so I need to go to the end of each line, use the return key, make sure it's aligned, and then use the tab to turn it into what it needs to be. Okay, so this one, I'm going to back this one up, and now I've got everything with that hanging indent. You'll notice that I still have the highlighting in the background, and I can change that by changing my highlight color to none. Bam! Done. The only thing missing from this is my date of access, which I would want to add to the end here, just so everybody knows the day that I accessed this material, what I took from it, that's what it said that day. If it's changed since then, oh well. Date of access is not crucial. It's actually optional for works cited. So if that's something you just can't figure out or don't want to make up, which is what I always did, you just leave it off. It's totally fine. Okay, so there you go. My works cited is already created for me. Thank you very much, LMC library. Appreciate it. And we're done. All right, so back to that. I say to you, good luck.